As above, so below. Anything that is within, so without. Anything emotional, you are an emotion. So let me tell you this, okay? When you talk with such an interest, okay. This is one thing. Your etheric body is the one that holds your emotions. That is why you must always be aware of what am I feeling. Because that is sitting now between you, your physical, nezinyanya zakho. So guide them with so much love. Because your emotions are in the etheric systems zakho. So please make sure you do that. I really make sure. Because we are so easy to be caught up into the world of anger, the world of pain, the world of always complaining. Know that that is the message, that is the frequency you are sending to abantu bahokweni. So make sure you nurture them with love and guidance. So now bayabuya with the nelanga. Make sure you welcome with everything that you ever have. Cry tears of encouragement, encouraging them with and again, when you look now in the book that we use, the ancient Egypt, there is a scenario that says that this is the time that you visit the tombs, meaning that when you visit Abangaseko, you bring water and grain. When you put the grain around the tomb or around, you are inviting that soul. You are inviting what we call Ba. Ba, that is the Kemetic word. What you do now, when you bring that, they say what symbolizes what you are connecting the Ka and the Ba. It will be the bird that come and eats the grain. When you are doing that, we are batanganisa. So do that. So when you go there, figure clean it, and then you make sure that you encourage the birds. And that's what it is. And once they unite, we call it that now the ark. Now the journey becomes now idlozi eliphilayo, not elileleyo.